Hi guys. So here are the video notes for today. Okay, and we're talking about these things called logarithms. Okay, and logs for short. Okay, logarithms are a tool that we use to kind of learn more about exponents. Okay, so this is what a log looks like. We read this as log base b, meaning because the b is down below, so it's in the base of y is equal to x. So log base b of y equal to x. Okay. Now, the question that logs are talking about, okay, is, let me put it to the next slide, is what exponent do we raise b to get to y? So, for example, log base 3 of 9 equals 2. That's from the warm-up today. Logs are just saying, hey, if I raise 3 to the something, I get 9. Well, that's something, just because we also know it over here is 2. Okay, but that's all logs are doing, is trying to say what number in the base do we have to raise it to, the exponent, to get to be 9. Okay, so I wanted to show you a number example so that way it's not just all letters, but b to some number raised to some number is equal to y. Okay, so logs have two different forms, or exponent have two different forms. Okay, there's logarithmic form, so if you see the word log, or if you see exponential form, because we have x in the exponent. Okay, you can go in between these two forms and convert, and they're going to be the exact same thing. Okay, now how do we convert is saying, okay, we're gonna be able to write in between them. So the easiest way that I can show you this right here is we start at the base and we make a circle and point to the y. So ready? The base to the x is equal to y. B to the x equals y. And so if I was given this form, I put the base b in the bottom, y is equal to x. Now going from this way, from log form to exponent form, I think it's a little bit easier, okay, just because it's not as visually complicated. Okay, so now, next slide. Okay, logs are heroes, meaning they're a good tool that we can kind of help figure out some exponent stuff. Okay, so these two are the same exact thing. Logs are just tools that allow us to say, hey, 3 to the something equals 243. Well, what do we need to raise 3 to get 243? Okay, so there's just one example there. And now let's take a look at some converting practice down bottom here. Okay, so this is going from log to exponent form. We start at u, and I'm going to show you that circle again. So u to the v is equal to 15 over 16. Now that looks kind of complicated because it has multiple letters and fractions. It's not that big of a deal. It's just practice rewriting the forms. I start in the base, I work my way around. So 7/4 raised to the y is equal to x. X to the fourth equals y. 2 to the y is equal to x. And y to the negative 8 equals x. So that's just some practice rewriting. Okay. All right. So going the other way, that's a little bit tougher. Okay. And when I do this, I always try to write log base b of x equals y, because I know b to the y equals x. So it helps me kind of see it again. So the base is the 1/5, so log of 1/5. Okay, the exponent is equal to the number on the other side. So log 1/5 of y equals x. So log 9, log base 9 of x equals y. Log base b of 123 is equal to a. Okay, so guys, my time's gonna run out, but it's really not that complicated. It's just brand new. Okay, so we are gonna learn more tomorrow about more on these logs, but for right now, they are tools that helps us with exponents. Okay, and then we'll go in deeper tomorrow. All right, see you guys.